To make transparent text in Canva, let's come over to the text tab here on the object panel and want to click on add a text box. I'm going to put in my text here. I'll paste the text I have here. And if I increase the size of my text box, let me just increase the size a bit. You can see my text, and I want to change this font to Archivo Black. And you see our text is here, or you can change it into Anton, depending on whichever one you like. Now that we have our text, to make this text transparent, we're going to come over to Effects here, and we're going to click on the Holo effect. Once we click on the Holo effect, you see that our text is transparent already. For us to reduce the thickness of the text, we just scroll a bit and we'll see thickness here. You can take the slider down so the thickness is smaller, or you can take it up so it's thicker, whichever one works for you. 20 works. And if I want to still give more spacing in between the text, I will come over to here and increase the letter spacing between text so that it reads properly. And if you want to change the color of your text, you can always click on the text box and go to color here, and you want to pick any color that you want to use. And if we click on the background, let's choose a different background color. When we choose this background color, you see our transparent text so beautifully done.